with decisions, he handled COVID situation effectively. Organizing over 1,500 successful heart surgeries is another stupendous achievement of this warm-hearted good doer. Under the Rashtriya SHRI Yojana and Assistant to Disabled Person ADIP, we have conducted screening camp for senior citizens and disabled persons respectively. After the screening, 56,000 beneficiaries were distributed 2 lakhs.
You are requested to please rise and remain standing till the members of the procession take their seats. All graduating students, faculty members and guests may please take their seats. It is an honor